Hello, greetings everyone. My name is Mo. Your name is Mo. We are all more. Let's make more money. Well, today we know the crypto market is a bloodbath, and I have checked the indicators, and it shows that there is going to be some downtrend. And what that means is, people are taking profits, and how far it will go, the indicators are showing me that it might go up to this whole week. People gonna be taking profit, and some people gonna be just FOMOing. One thing I would like to advise, don't go naked on all your positions, but you can make sure that you at least have some liquidity at hand. That way, when things really go down, you can take advantage of it. Okay? So what that means is, take some profit, even with Zcash, Vara Network, and even Cryptech Finance. I have take profits on all of them. XRP, all my positions, but because it might go down even further, who knows, because it seems like Bitcoin dictates this market. When Bitcoins go down, everybody FOMO, everybody just start panicking. So I will say, don't let go all your positions. Yeah, reduce, maybe take 50% out, take profits and get some liquidity at hand. That way, you have some dry powder. When things go further down, you can take advantage of the situation. So this is what's happening. And we know in the crypto industry, if you're a real trader, you've been around for a while, these things happen. And when they happen, doesn't mean that it's the end of the game. And things also go up, and when they go up, doesn't mean that they will just continue going up straight like an arrow. That's not how it goes. So there is that zigzag happening, and you got to know how to take advantage of that. So that's why the technical the technical analysis is good. You have to do that, and I always encourage people not to be too diversified. Don't. For me, honestly, I think 2 or 3 positions, that's it. That's all you need to do. You don't need to go into everything. If this stuff happen, then you are in a big mess. But if you hold 2 or 3 positions, when to you are watching those ones close. You can follow those ones very adequately. When things change, you know how to react quickly. You know how to react and take advantage of situations. This is important. But if you are too diversified, you don't know where all your money in fact is. So you are just going down the line when things are just ravaging. All right? But my today's message is, this is not the end of the game. You take profit taking is happening, and you have to take profit. I take profit. Every good trader take profit. Even Warren Buffett take profits. Okay? And he have more cash at hand right now than anybody I know in this investing market, because people use and he's in a different caliber. I don't follow Warren Buffett. I did learn from him, but I don't follow his trading strategies. This guy is a hedger right now. He got money, and now all he need to do, protect that. He don't need to be greedy. He don't need to be, trading every time like us. We are not billionaires or multi-millionaires like him. So we are not trying to diversify our portfolio. Okay, so just like I'm saying, three if you have 3 good positions, depending, you know, whatever your niche is, whatever you know, whatever you believe in, that's why I am here to facilitate in that, to help you keep good portfolio, pick good stuff, and I tell you when to react to those stuff. And my thing is self-custody. I want you to control it, and I want to be letting you know if things are going right, when to take profits, when to, you know, keep some dry powder on hand, and take advantage of the market if stuff like this happen. Okay, so this is my message to you guys, and I will always emphasize this thing. If you want to build a fortress, contact me. Let me help you pick a very robust portfolio, very, very resistant portfolio. That way, you know, you are managing your crypto well. You know, you are doing what is right. You know, but if you don't have that, in case this kind of stuff happen, you might go naked on your position, and then things start going up, and then guess what? You lose. You know, because you have let go your position, a good position, and then things start going up. It's out of your buying range. So these are very important to know. These are very, very important. Anyway, this is my message to you all, and stay strong. Make sure you have some liquidity though. Make sure you have some liquidity, because the technical indicators are showing me that this is gonna go a week. It could go even a 2 weeks, who knows, cycle, before things start going bullish, going up again. All right, take care of yourself, stay strong. Let's get this money. All right, you guys take care. Bye bye.